Tips on how to overcome social anxiety. Social anxiety is a mental health condition. It is also known as social phobia. Social anxiety is an acute, constant fear of being judged or watched by others. This fear can affect school, work, and your other day-to-day activities. It can even make it hard to make and keep friends. Everybody gets nervous in certain social conditions. But if you are facing social anxiety disorder, regular events may be extra challenging. You may feel a lot more scared and self-conscious than other people do in social interactions and communications. But don't let fear keep you from living your life to the fullest. Try following 7 tips to help you feel better and get through the day. 1. Just stop worrying about what people think. People with social anxiety frequently cannot be present and their best selves if they continuously ask themselves questions like, did they think that I was smart? Did they think that I was successful? Did I come across as confident? Did they believe what I said was stupid? You can never know what others think of you. So, in place of worrying about it, concentrate on what you want to deliver, like asking good questions, looking people in the eyes, and not engaging in time-wasting talk. 2. Stop trying to be perfect. Social anxiety and perfectionism often go hand in hand. Everything you do and everything that you say doesn't have to be perfect. Make a point of being imperfect and taking options and choices for a day. 3. Challenge yourself. Try breaking out of a rut by leaving your safe zone and accepting those challenges that help you flourish as a person. Follow your dreams and your passion, and don't let social anxiety stand on your path. 4. Appreciate what you have. Although you may have been faced a bad hand when it comes to having a social phobia, there is much more in your life to be thankful for. Take time to appreciate and express gratitude for what you have. 5. Talk to therapist. Despite what some people might suggest, social phobia or social anxiety goes beyond shyness, feeling nervous and uneasy around new people. You can do a lot on your own to control and manage the distress and stress you go through, but getting professional support and advice is always a good place to initiate. Therapy offers a safe environment to practice negotiating anxiety-evoking situations through graduated exposure, a potential treatment for social anxiety. Your therapist may recommend support groups or group therapy, which gives you a chance to interact and practice social skills with other people and manage social anxiety. 6. Try relaxation techniques. Research suggests that few physical activities like jogging, exercise, and other progressive muscle relaxation techniques can help reduce your anxiety levels. This means releasing and flexing a group of muscles in your body and adhering your attention to the feeling of release. Yoga can also help you reduce anxiety. Specific types involve deep breathing, which can help you lower your heart rate and blood pressure. Just one class of yoga can improve anxiety and mood. 7. Use your senses. Sound, sight, touch, taste, and smell. Your senses can help you calm down at the moment when you are feeling anxious. For few people, smelling a particular scent or looking at a favorite photograph can do the magic. The next time you begin to perceive anxiety about a social condition, try chewing a flavorful piece of gum, listening to your favorite song, or snuggling with a pet.